Cricket Wireless relies on specific data settings to ensure your phone connects properly to their network for internet, messaging, and high speed services. The access point name, or APN, acts as a crucial bridge between your device and Cricket's cellular network. Think of it as the address that tells your phone exactly how to connect. This network diagram shows how APN settings create the pathway from your device through Cricket's private mobile network to reach the internet. Several key parameters make up your APN settings. The mobile country code identifies the USA as 310, while the mobile network code specifies Cricket Wireless as your carrier. Cricket Wireless offers 5G access on all plans. Correct APN settings ensure you can take full advantage of these faster speeds when you have a compatible device and are in a coverage area. Modern smartphones typically configure these settings automatically when you insert your Cricket SIM card. However, manual configuration may be necessary when switching carriers or troubleshooting connectivity issues. Understanding these Cricket Wireless data settings ensures optimal connectivity for internet browsing, messaging, and taking advantage of 5G speeds when available in your area. Configuring APN settings manually requires different steps for Android and iOS devices. Let's walk through both processes to ensure optimal Cricket Wireless connectivity. For Android devices, start by opening Settings, then navigate to Network and Internet or Connections, depending on your device model. Navigate to Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. If you see a SIMs option, tap your carrier's SIM twice to access the APN settings. For iPhone users, the process is slightly different. Open Settings, then go to Cellular or Mobile Service. Tap Cellular Data Network or Mobile Data Network to access the APN settings where you can enter the Cricket Wireless information. Here are the specific APN settings you need to enter for Cricket Wireless in 2025. These values are essential for proper data and MMS connectivity. Enter these exact values in your device's APN settings. The APN field should be set to either ENDO or ENDO, and make sure the MCC is 310 and MNC is 150 for proper network identification. Pay special attention to the APN name, MMS port, and MCC values, as these are critical for establishing a proper connection to Cricket's network. Configuring these settings correctly will significantly improve your data speeds, enhance network connectivity, and ensure reliable MMS messaging on Cricket Wireless.